Hi guys, this is my first video. Today we're gonna build the Flintstones house. This will be a fast run, and I hope you have it good. We'll put it at a fast pace, and we'll do one bag at a time, so you see which bag. If you get this Lego set for yourself, you know which bag will have what in it. And my helper is my mom. And she's the one who's recording. And in a second, we're about to build the Flintstones house. Ready, set, go. So, guys, in the first bag, you'll be making the Flintstones car. But I don't know what this piece is at all. Maybe maybe some ribs like the E on the way, maybe. I don't know, but I think this is what we're doing. And then here's them driving, and this took like 30 minutes to make, I think. And I got the girl, I just connected her out. This part you can retract, so you can put the characters in there. And here we go, the Flintstones car. Okay guys, so before we go off, I need you to like and subscribe. Have a good day.